Hi guys, what's going on? So, about 10 minutes ago, I received a message from one of the students that have access to 2.0. So, this person requested me to make a video on backtesting, how I do my backtesting. So, I've said in the course multiple times that if you guys have questions, if you guys need help with anything, I'm very happy to help out. So, this person wanted me to make a video on how I do my backtesting. So, right immediately, I decided to make a video because it's about 12:56 a.m. on Sunday. I'm just looking at the charts, trying to get ready for market opening later on today. So I've got nothing doing. So I'm like, okay, let me make the video and just upload it into the course for you guys to watch. But then I think I have a backtesting video actually. I'm not sure why this person, because I know I've got a backtest. Oh, right. So I only talked about the importance of backtesting. I think I should rename this to importance of backtesting. I I remember I made this video, but I didn't show you guys how I do my backtesting. So I'm gonna go. That's why we're here anyway. So my apologies. So what is backtesting? So backtesting, just like the name, back testing. It means you going back in time to test your system, to test your strategy, to test your percentage win ratio. It could be anything. Okay. Some of you guys want to work on your entries, your exit, your trade management. You want to backtest how to manage your risk, or it could be anything. All right. So it is very important to backtest. Okay. A lot of people that have been able to gain success in forex, they've backtested over and over and over again. So it is very important to do backtesting. So we're going to be going back in time. I'll be acting like we're just about to take a trade. So we're going to be serious with it. We're going to try to take a trade, manage it to see how it works. And also when you're backtesting, you want to be collecting data. You want to be collecting information to go back and check how maybe a certain currency pair has been reacting, because at the end of the day, currency pairs are just like humans. They have their own personalities as well. Okay, some currency pairs spend a lot of time ranging, some spend a lot of time trending, some they respect price action more, some respect patterns more. It could be and a lot of people might not know this thing. Okay, they just jumping from one pair to the next one. They don't even know the personality of this particular currency pair. So when they take this one and they lose the trade, they jump onto the next one. Maybe they took GBP AUD, they took a loss. Then the next thing is they just start going through the chart and they saw CAD JPY. They took CAD JPY. They don't even know how CAD JPY has been behaving for the past 2-3 months or whatever. Then they jump on that one too. Then they took a loss as well. Jump onto the next one, not even knowing how that one has been behaving. So if you continue to do that repeatedly, at the end of the day, you're gonna struggle to be consistently profitable. It is possible to make profit every now and then, but this time around we're talking about being consistently profitable. So you need to learn also backtest, learn how to stick to limited pairs, backtest that currency pair that you decided that you want to be trading, backtest it properly back to back so you could understand the personality, the characteristics of this currency pair. For me, I also trade limited pairs. I don't jump from one pair to another. If you wake me up and ask me what's the key level on EN, I can tell you. What's EN doing at the moment? I will tell you. In fact, I also realized that if I take a loss on a trade that I've been taking back to back, I have more about 90-95% of the time. If I take the next one, I most likely will win it. And that happened to me on Friday. I took a trade on GBP AUD. I took a loss on the first one. Then the second one, I was able to win it with excellent risk to reward. And I showed you guys on Instagram. For those of you following me on Instagram, you definitely saw this trade. In fact, I think I've got I have it here, because I always save my, oh, I'm there already, because I always save my my trade, my before and after. So this is the trade here. I took my sell around here initially, so I took a loss, then price extended to the upside. I took my sell around here in confluence with this pivot level, and we have our OB level here, and so and I set my take profit to be around here, and it reacted perfectly well. If you look at this point 1, point 2, point 3, this we have like a trend line here. We should have like a trend line here, which is like a liquidity. So price pull to the upside to grab the liquidity around here, tested this OB level in confluence with the pivot, and it sold massively. And here is the final result where I took my final take profit. So you guys definitely saw this on my Instagram if you following me. Anyway, so for those, anyway, I know you guys are following me because you guys are students anyway, so I don't need to tell you my Instagram. So yeah, now we're gonna backtest this currency pair, GBP/USD, and we're gonna act like we're about to take a trade. We're gonna take it serious. We're gonna collect some information. We might take some losses, no problem. It's fine. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So we have GBP/AUD. We're on a weekly time frame. For you guys to know, I like to start my analysis from the bigger time frame, then I narrow down to the smaller time frame. So looking at the bigger time frame, what do we have? Price has been trending to the upside. We have a pull to the upside, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It failed to create a new high, and it formed a double top. So what is double top? Reversal pattern. Okay, so when we see double top, we have chances price might react and change direction. So what I also like to do is this: once I've identified my structure on a bigger time frame, I also like to map out my key levels as well. So I'm going to map out my key levels on a weekly time frame, then we lower to the smaller time frame to then start looking for structures and patterns, OB levels, whatever, this and that. Then we take our sell. Okay, so I talked recently about power of trading limited pairs. I don't know if I showed you guys. If you guys haven't watched the video on importance of trading limited pairs, I would suggest you guys should go into the course one more time. I know you're in the course for you to be watching this anyways. So what is wrong with this thing? Why is this? Okay, so here we have power of trading limited pairs. Okay, so check this out. I talked more on importance of trading limited pairs and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna upload this one right here again, or maybe I'm gonna create a new chapter for it. Okay, so anyway, so let's go. GBP. So right now I've created I have identified my key levels on the weekly time frame. So price formed a double top around here. It made a sell to the downside here, tested, came back to the level again. Then we're about to see more likely, because I don't want to be talking with certainty. This is forex, nothing is certain. Okay, so it's more likely we see a pull to the downside. So if that happens, then this is gonna turn to our liquidity area, because we have sell orders here, we have sell orders here. So the first thing we want to do right now is this: we want to watch out for how price is going to react. So we're going to be looking for our levels on the smaller time frame now to see where we're going to take a buy. Okay, so this is my first point of interest, my second point of interest, my last point of interest. Okay, so how many pips from here? 800 pips. I don't expect price to move all the way down 800 pips like that. We might be catching some little moves in between. So let's go to the 4 hour, and it's possible, because never can tell. Market is crazy. So here we have our uptrend still intact. Uptrend still intact. It's never been divergent. They haven't divergent this uptrend, right? So the only thing that is going to invalidate this uptrend is we have a break of this level here. Okay, so that's the only thing that is going to invalidate this uptrend. If I see a break of this level, then we should be looking at this level. Okay, we should be looking at this level. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see. Let's go. This thing is too slow for me. And we have something that looks like not your perfect head and shoulders, to be honest, but I could call this head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So if this level should break, we might be seeing a big fall. So, but let's see what we have. But the up trend is still holding until we see a break. This thing is too slow for me, I beg. Let me make it faster a little bit. Let's see. So if we get a break of this level, I want to look for opportunity to sell more, but it's reacting to this trend line and this EMAs around here. So let's see. Okay. Oh, perfect. Oh, let me pause it. Let me pause it. Why are you moving too fast? You're moving mad. Okay, this level has been broken. I don't want to see this anymore. I don't want to see that trend line anymore. So I want to look for my sell opportunity. So in order for me to get my sell opportunity, let me see if I'm able to get like an order block anywhere around here. So what I'm looking for right now is this. This is my plan to go for a sell. Something like this, then to the downside. So let's see. This one now I'm going to be, okay, perfect. I'm going to pause it. I'm quick on this one. So first thing first, we have our rejection here. I'm going to place it right. Honestly, I might have gotten my entry early because I like to get my entries from the 30 minutes time frame. But this is 4-hour close. So because I might want to be swinging it, so this SL is too big. So I'm gonna make it like 50% of it. I'm gonna make it this, hopefully. Oh, okay. So this is our first trade, right? So what I'm gonna do now is this. Let me look for where to take my profit. Plan your trade and trade your plan. So let me look for where I'm going to secure partial profits, just in case. Just in case. I might want to secure partial profit around here. Maybe 50%. I don't know. I will decide, or we decide together. Why is this not just giving me double lines? So let's go. Let's go. So this is our trade. This looks like I said, it looks like head and shoulder patterns. We have the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, a break of the neckline, whatever. My style of trading here, I don't like to say I'm a smart money trader, or I have a good knowledge of how to trade the smart money, how to trade pattern structures, all this bull flag, bear flag, wedge. I know how to do all those things. I know how to trade the retail. So I literally combine everything. That makes my own trading style so unique, okay? So, let's go. Hey, hope you're not going to take a loss. Perfect. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. At this point in time, I want to move my stop loss to break even. Uh-oh. Calm down, big boy. Perfect. I move my stop loss to break even around here. So, let's go. Let's see if we're going to get our first TP. At the end of the day, if you want to pay attention to smart money, whatever, this is our order block now, okay? Or let's call it rejection block. We have our structure here. We have our structure around here, okay? So we have order block around here. Order block around here. Or no, let me call it rejection block. Right, because price might come back to this block here, then sell again. Okay, so just in case. So this then made this level POI, my point of interest. So perfect. Okay, you guys already know how to identify your order block, breaker block, rejection block, point of interest already. Anyways, so we're just going with the flow. So this is close to TP1. We had 40 pips SL, so 40 pips SL. What's the week to perfect TP1? Great. So me personally, I risk £1,000 on a trade. Okay, so I had 40 pips stop loss on this one. So my entry was here. 351 pips. 351 pips. No, actually I risk. Okay, don't let me even tell you how much I risk. So if I was risking £1,000 on this trade, we have 351 divided by 40. That's 8.75 to 1. So I like to split my positions into two. Then I'm gonna split it 500 each. So that's gonna make it 500 times 500. So 8.75 times 500. So that's 4,375. So this particular one would have given me this particular one would have given me 4,375 or whatever. Great. That's TP1. Ooh, money where we never know they see. But anyways, so let's see if we can get TP2. Perfect. Oh, interesting. I love when trade moves this way without big correction, without nothing. I just love it. I love it. It might retest this level. Oh, wait, big boy, calm down. TP to it. Perfect. So we have 564 pips divided by 40. That's 14 to 1 times 500. So this would have made 7,050 if you're risking £1,000. I'm not saying we have 7,050. So on this trade alone, you would have made a total of plus 4,375, a total of 11,425. 11,425. How easy is that? Perfect. So what have I done here? I was able to identify my patterns. I started from the bigger time frame. I was able to identify my patterns. We have this pattern here. It broke below. We saw the exhaustion, came back down, target, false target. So now let's go to the bigger time frame to see the overview of the market one more time, to see what's actually going on. So let's go to the daily. Do you know this thing could possibly sell to this level? Oh my goodness. To this level or this level here? Yeah, actually. So I'm gonna wait because I already taken my profit, so I'm not gonna be greedy. So I'm gonna wait for price to get to this level to see how it's gonna react. If I can get a buy to this level here, okay. If I can get a buy to this level here, then or buy to that level, then sell to this level, hopefully. So this is my next point of interest, okay? So let me move all this money here. So this is my next point of interest, and this is going to be my target, okay? Because we have our level here. So what we're going to do now is this. We're going to lower to the smaller time frame one more time, okay? So this is the start of our impulse move anyways, and we have a pivot around this level. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. So look at that. Oh my God. Hold on. Let's now wait for price action. Now price is at our point of interest, okay? So what do we want to do? We want to what? We want to look for our buy opportunity. So let me pick up my Fibonacci retracement. Our impulse move started from here, around here. So here we have 61.8, 70.6, right? Okay. All right. So I'm going to lower to the smaller time frame to look at my entries. So this time around, I want to spend more time on 30 minutes. Okay, right. Look at that. This pivot here, market found resistance around here, so it rejected this level here. So what I'm gonna do is this. This is the line though, so I'm just gonna make a little bit of, because this looks like a liquidity grab. If you look at it weekly, you're gonna see closely. It might be that market is trying to grab liquidity or whatever. Let's go to the daily. Let's see what we have on the daily. Right. So let's go back to 30 minutes. So let's see if we can get, look at that daily rejection. Look, I like that daily rejection. It shows me this level is more likely gonna hold. I love the week. Week tells you exhaustion. If you don't have Forex Lab 1.0, I talked more about how to identify your exhaustion in the market. So you use weeks to identify your exhaustion. So what I want to do right now is this. First found resistance here, rejection here. I want to see a double bottom here before I take a sell. Why? I cannot take my buy hand here. This is premium, okay? I don't buy at resistance. I buy cheap, I sell high, okay? So I want to buy cheap. I don't want to be buying at resistance, okay? You don't want to be buying at resistance. If it breaks above, then let it go, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. So let's play. But this time I want to make it slow because it's just moving mad. Moving too fast for me. Okay, let's go. Let's see. All I just need is my double bottom and I'm gonna go for a sell. Perfect. Let's pause it. Double bottom. Let me check the 15 minute. I like this. I like that. So I'm gonna take a long run here. The reason why I like my smaller time frame, it gives you excellent risk to reward. Okay, you don't want to be spending too much time on a bigger time frame or whatever. 15, kind of, it's okay. But then, so where should we use as our final take profit target? Ask yourself, where are you going to put as a final take profit target? I'm going to give you like a minute to think about it. Okay, think. Are you thinking? Okay, good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my target around here. Why? Because this is our supply. We have our structure here. Structure broken around here. We have our level around here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is gonna give us 40 pips per sell, over 200 pips in target. So let's see what we have. Okay, big boy, nice. 40 pips per sell, we move our stop loss to break even, and we take our profit here. But where to? No be juju be that. Okay, yeah, let's go. Hold on, I might want to scale up. Aha! You guys need to watch. If you haven't watched the video on how to scale up, watch it again. I have it here because I want to scale up now. I'm about to scale up that bad boy. How I scale up and maximize my profit. But there's a logic behind scaling up. If I'm risking 1% on an initial trade, this time around when I'm scaling up, I don't risk up to 1%. So that even if I lose the scale up, the first one that is running is gonna cover the profit. Because if I risk 1% on the first one and I'm risking 1% on this one and I lose the scale up and it comes back to my break even and stop me out, I haven't made money at all. So I try to risk lesser. So if I want to scale up, I would have done this and placed my stop loss below the pivot Okay, below the pivot. Okay, let's use 40 pips. This is scaling up, honestly speaking. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Take profit too. Just little profit, just to hold body. As soon as it goes in profit, I'm gonna move myself to break even. Perfect, because it's scaled up. So I would have moved this to break even. So let's see. Don't come back to my break even. Are you out of your mind? Maybe I should give it breathing space, but I don't think I should. It's moving well. Perfect. I'm going to close it here. Why? Because this is order block, right? Or rejection block. It might not get to target actually, because it might react anywhere around here. So I'm just going to make it here. I'm just going to close my trades around here and close this one too around here. So that would have given me 186 pips in target, and I reached 40 pounds. So let's 186 divided by 40, that's 4.65 to 1 times 500. So this particular trade would have given 2,325. 2,325. This first one, yeah. This second one, the same as 40 pips target and 94 pips, 40 pips SL, 94 pips target, divided by 40, 2.35. That's about 1,000. Let me just make it 1,000. Okay. I'm a swing trader, so my SL is always around that 30, 40 pips. And you guys know that I am not aggressive. I'm never comfortable with 10 pips, 5 pips stop loss. That's not my style of trading. I don't like it. I like to have peace of mind when I'm trading. I don't like to take a trade because I want to be like everybody looking for sniper entry. My goal is to make money, not to look for sniper entry. So I want to take a trade that I'll be able to sleep at night. So that's me, I don't like taking risks like that, but I'm a forex trader, unfortunately. So yeah. Anyway, so guys, this is it. So I might want to now sell from here. Let's see if we can get a sell. Okay, let's play with that. So far, how much money have we made, guys? We've made 11,425 and another 11,425 plus 1,000 plus 2,325. Oh, perfect. 14,750. Is this not interesting? So order block, I want to take a sell from here. Okay, although I would have placed my order around here anyways, because we're backtesting, this thing has been moving so fast. So I'll place my stop loss above this high. That's where I'm comfortable. All those smart money traders, they like to do this rubbish, put their stop loss here, and they get stopped out prematurely. I like to give my trade breathing space. Okay, like I said, the goal is to make money, not to prove a point to people. So let's see if our sell is going to work out. Let's see, and that's the end of it. If it works out, that's the end of it. We're done. We're backtesting. Last one. Interesting. At this point, I might want to move myself to break even, but let me give it breathing space. Let me let it breathe, because I don't want to get stopped out prematurely and the thing will now fall again in the pain person. So I'm gonna let it breathe. But you're moving too slow for me, honestly. It's 1:25 p.m. My eyes are tired. How many pips stop loss actually? So I'm using this order block and this 200 EMA. So I want to place my SL above this rejection block, and this total DMAs as extra protection. Okay, so at this point my Excel would have been at break even anyways. I would say market found resistance around here. So, oh, stop me at a break even. Okay, if I get stopped at break even, look at that. Interesting. We lost that one at break even. So losing that at break even, I don't know. Maybe I would have taken partial profit. I don't know. I don't know. But we didn't lose money, so we're good. So, anyway, guys. So I'm tired already. So that is how I do my back testing. I hope you guys have been able to learn one or two. If you have more questions, let me know. Ask me questions. Send me a message on Instagram, and yeah, feel comfortable to let me know what's up. Yeah, so the video is gonna be around here. So one more video I want to make to update 2.0. I want to make a video on breaker block. Okay, I will make the video tomorrow. I'm tired already, so I'll make the video on breaker block. Oh, this is pre-recorded anyway, so but I'll make a video on breaker block. You guys should find it somewhere around the course anytime soon. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys. Bye.